Ooh. Sweat. Alright, so listen. So I'm staring at the, I'm not staring at the camera. Ooh, need to work on that. Alright, so listen. It's your boy. Back with another video. I know. A lot of y'all, kind of me, maybe, but I know a lot of y'all was very anticipating this video. But this video that y'all about to get, this ain't the video y'all probably want to see. But hear me out. It was a lot of lessons learned from this decision, from this buy, I should say. I don't even know what to say. You can't make this up. All I'm gonna say is that whoever bought the car that I was supposed to buy, congratulations. You paid Hellcat price money for a Scat Pack. Not to say a Scat Pack with maybe two packages on it. This video is long overdue, but I had a family situation not too long ago, and it like really set me back and like made me think about doing certain stuff that I've been postponing, as in making videos and stuff. But I just want to say I appreciate the people who supported, kept asking about it, and accepted my decision on what I got now. She was staring at me. But nah, this is everything. Like I said, everything happens for a reason. I could have got the car, but the monthly payments was too high. They wanted $971 a month for the Scat Pack that I was supposed to buy, the 2022 wide body. There is, I can let you know now, there is one of them riding around with the Hemi Orange package in New Jersey. I'm actually friends with him now. He didn't have, I had, so there's pictures, I don't know if I posted it on my Instagram, but I'm gonna leave a picture of what mine looked like. It was smoke show, beautiful color, with the Hemi Orange package, orange brake calibers, SRT, I say the jailbreak, because jailbreak come with those wheels, with the jailbreak wheels, but they was satin black or matte black, whatever you want to call it, or a gloss black. Orange brake calibers, orange trim on the inside, outside, things like that. But if y'all wanna know about that video, there's somebody on Instagram with that car in New Jersey, with the same packages or the same trim level, same package. He just has a different color. It's an Infinity. Got distracted. His car sounds good. I don't know what he's doing. Anyway, whatever. But yeah, there's somebody in New Jersey with that Hemi Orange package. I will be getting another Charger eventually on the line when I guess the time is right. Like I said, I apologize for the disappointment or whatever, or the anticipation, I should say, not even the disappointment, because with my purchase, I'm not disappointed. I'm actually happy that I got this instead of that Scat Pack, because say if I wanted to build a Scat Pack, I can't really do a lot. All I can do is cosmetic mods, lights, the typical Mopar, people say Mopar options, lights, exhaust, stuff like that. I was gonna be a little bit different with my car, but I can do that with the next car that I eventually get in the future. But this one right here, I can tell you this can be way faster than a Scat Pack. I can make a $60,000 car, Scat Pack I'm talking, not a Hellcat, Scat Pack, look like a baby with this car. But I just wanted to introduce my brand new car. Now, introducing this car. It is a 2021 Subaru WRX. Bought it with, it had 11,545 miles on it. Very clean, very clean. I am going to say it is the base model, but base models always got the best potential. And I can make it look like a premium, whatever. But the mods that I'm going to do to this, boo. Y'all gonna be like, okay. But if y'all sticking for the long road, I appreciate the support. I've definitely post videos on this. I've been posting videos on Instagram, TikTok. Instagram, I have already 10,000 views on one of the videos that I posted when I just got it. I got it last month. Reason why I have been posting, because I've been enjoying the car. This car is very fun. It might be a little turd bucket right now, but it's turboed, as people know. If y'all don't, this is the intercooler right here. It's still hot. Down below, right there, is the turbo. You feel me? This car is very, I say it's a very fun, friendly car. It's a lot you can do to this. You see these all over the place. And I can say that the Subi community is very, I say they're better than Mopar. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they're more friendly. But I think both parties are friendly, but this is a little bit more, you get a little bit more love out of this, because everyone knows, like, first of all, it's manual too. Let me show y'all that. This ain't no automatic. I know how to drive manual. For people that don't know, it's a little dirty. I apologize. Had a little incident. Gotta clean it. Yes, it's 6-speed manual. Yeah, there's just so much you can do to this car. I gotta teach a couple people how to drive stick in my family. But for right now, I'll probably be the only one driving this. If you see this on the road, I haven't done nothing. It's literally it's fishbowl right now. Like, the first thing I'll probably do is get tint before I do any like extra cosmetics, because I hate driving fishbowl. It's annoying. I've been driving like this for a month, and it's been bothering me. And I'm so tempted to get it tinted. I just haven't pushed my way towards that yet, but it will be tinted very soon, before the end of July. I can say that, guarantee. Excuse me. I am trying to get a sponsor with Grimspeed. If people don't know what Grimspeed is a company that pretty much supports Subaru. Has simple mods like a cold air intake, exhaust, I should say, things like that. They have like this shroud cover, so like they have this like Grimspeed shroud cover, like with that, and then they have a shroud cover for like this and that side, and like right here. There's a lot of stuff, like I said, there's a lot of stuff you can do to this car. This car is very fully customizable. Best believe I will be doing something with the lights. I have something planned already, in the works. But I'm gonna keep these, because with this car, even though I was gonna do it with the Charger too, I'm keeping every OEM part that I have on this car. God forbid I gotta trade this in or whatever, I'm gonna put everything back the way it was. That's the one thing I messed up with my my V6 Charger. Once I got the Bodykit, I just sold everything. But we're gonna do it the right way this time. But yeah, like I said, there's so much you can do to this car. If y'all don't understand, or if y'all don't get the decision why I chose this instead, then I don't know what to tell you. Because if you was in my shoes, I can tell you that this car is way cheaper. Price wise, it's 35,000 less than the Scat Pack, the one I was supposed to get, and it's only a year younger. barely a year younger. This thing was pushed out in, I'd say, December of last year. So it's damn near new. It's still a baby. Yeah, I don't know what to tell y'all guys, but this fascia right here, my guy, this is the one. It's definitely going to be fun modifying, fun car meet car cruises. But yeah, the plan for this very subtle build, stuff like that. But like I said, if y'all are willing to watch the progress on this, y'all definitely won't be disappointed. I had a plan to replicate the Hemi orange package on here, but have my own little twist on it. I'm still debating, but I might just to put like a memory of what I had, to like push myself harder. Like, I could have had this, but I got this and I made it 10 times better. So if y'all rocking with me, y'all will enjoy this build. But I can tell you that it's gonna be OEM. Like with the limited models, they have this little, like, give y'all an example, like a little turn signal right here. I'm gonna put that on there, OEM, so the car value can go up, things like that. So like little baby stuff. But I'm telling you, like, little mods like that, it's very different. It will bring out the car. It's the little mods that go a long way. I will not wrap this car. This car is staying silver, I can tell you that for a fact. Let me show y'all the inside a little bit. Oh, this side's not unlocked. Excuse the mess. But this is the steering wheel. Give y'all this. It's a flat bottom too. Scat Packs, or the newer ones in Hellcats, they have the flat bottom steering wheel. This also has a flat bottom steering wheel, which is very good. I like that. Has CarPlay, of course. Got the gear shift, 6-speed, reverse lockout. Here is the keys. Here, let me show y'all this. Well, I don't do it no more, but there's a feature on here. It will come up right there, and it will tell you like when's your birthday, if you can put it in, stuff like that. But like right here, if y'all don't know about this is the boost gauge. This is the peak boost. I never hit 22. That was like factory, I guess, but I know it can go higher than that. As y'all hear the car in the background, I don't know what's wrong with him, but yeah, stuff like that. Like, it's just so much. You take the G-forces, and then look at the wheels. That's me turning the steering wheel just a little bit. That's so tough, bro. I never had a car do that a day in my life. That thing is fire. But yeah, this is pretty much the car. I don't know what to say. Like, yeah, this is carbon fiber. Got carbon fiber accents all over the car. And this, mind you, this is the base model. Like, people, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but people say this is also carbon fiber. It has like the carbon fiber, the accents and stuff, but I could be wrong. The car is dirty. I apologize for that. Bugs been hitting it. This is also carbon fiber. This is how you also can tell that this is a 2021, because this right here on like the older models is all same, like all pink color. All right, so I'm doing the outro. Video's probably gonna be like 8 minutes, if that. Like I said, subscribe if you're new. I appreciate I think I have 211 subscribers now. That's a lot to me. I mean, I have way more on Instagram, but YouTube is a whole different community. And y'all are very, very y'all speak your mind, because I do the same thing when everybody else's YouTube video. I speak my mind. I'm like, yo, if something, I'm like, yo, everything good? Where this and this and this? Sometimes they talk to me, sometimes they don't. So I try my best to conversate with everybody who comments, asks about it. Like I said, the support I got making this channel is a lot to me. It means the world. But like I said, subscribe if you're new. Turn on the post notifications. If you don't have them on, it doesn't count. I will be posting this bad boy. That thing clean. I don't care what y'all say. I will be posting this bad boy more. This is my go-to car. This is my fun car. This is my daily driver. So miles will be going up. I want to make a POV video. It's going to be with the phone. It's going to be a little bit cheesy, but I just want y'all to get. I'm gonna make sound clips or just a little drive, maybe 5-minute drive with this car. This car sounds nasty, bro. I don't care what anybody say. This car sounds nasty. But I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Stay tuned for more videos. Will be coming. My birthday just passed, so calming down from that. I turned 23. But I catch y'all in the next video very soon.